Hi there, my name's Andy. I'm going to give you a guided tour of a one-bedroom flat ready now. Here we go. This is available in Hull. It's a ground floor. It's been renovated to a high standard. You've got a log burner there. It's a real log burner, so you can imagine that at Christmas time be absolutely lovely. Brand new slate hearth there as well. So there's the little log burner. Love the log burner. TV point wise, you've got TV points at both sides of the room, so you can have TV over there or TV over there, which means if I whiz over here, if you put the sofa over there, you can sit here and watch the TV in either corner. Likewise, of course, if you put the TV over there, you can put the sofa over there. So that's your options with that. We've done this lovely cladding under the window here and painted that Manhattan grey is what that is. It's brand new UPVC windowsill there. You've got plug sockets absolutely everywhere there and over there. So you've got plenty of choices on things there. So I'll stop talking just a moment and have you have a little look around the room. There you go. It's fully double glazed, fully central heated, gas central heating. The gas radiators in this room is on the wall over the opposite side to that. So then that door over there is the door we go through to get through to the kitchen dining room. That door there is the front door into the property. There's only one, there's like a little lobby area out there. And then you can see the serving hatch through to the kitchen dining room. So I'll take you through there now and have a look at that. Lovely chrome handle there. So through here, you've got this lovely slate effect flooring. It's a very big room, this. It's a large kitchen diner, I'd say. You've got a new kitchen in here, all good quality. You've got gas hob, electric oven. You've got a washing machine, which is a 7 kilogram big up tub one, basically, and a full-size fridge freezer. And you've even got a double drainer sink. So you've got the double drainer sink going on there as well. So you've got everything you could want, really, I think, as kitchens go in a one-bed flat. This is an awesome kitchen. So yeah, nice big kitchen. And then here is the controller for the gas central heating. So you can control the gas central heating there. And if I turn around, just scan around, you see you've got plenty of space to be able to put a dining room table. So this is a great room for entertaining, gas central heating. Oh, speaking of entertaining and whatnot, you should know this ceiling is all soundproof. So you've got a soundproof ceiling throughout this flat, so that keeps things nice and quiet. You've got understairs storage here, so that's just an understairs storage cupboard in there with fuse boxes and whatnot. Hooks up there for hanging coats, which hide neatly way behind the door when you open this door here. And then in here, this takes you through to the bedroom. So you see we've done this lovely cladding on the lower level, and then the upper level is all nicely skimmed, so it's nice and smooth. It's not like these places you go and look at with the joyous wood chip wallpaper. Hiding God knows what. This place has been fully redone, fully rewired, which is why, again, you've got plug sockets in every corner. So you've got plug socket over there, plug socket there, plug socket over there. Now, if I take you, show you this one, this plug socket here is the USB plug socket. Reason for that is that's where people tend to put beds. You put a double bed there, bedside cabinet next to it, then you maybe have wardrobe or something over here. Now, over there, I should mention that is boxed in. That is actually, the boiler is boxed in there. So the boiler's in the top part there. And in the bottom part, it's just some storage shelves for you. Okay, gas central heating radiator there. So again, lovely big room, lovely warm place this. All, and again, soundproofed in the ceiling here. This ceiling here has again been insulated. You've got a nice new composite back door. So this is from the inside. It's nice white. And then this takes you through here to the bathroom, which is all white suite. So we've got a toilet, sink. You can see just in the corner there, there's the towel rail there, and then a full-size bath with a shower as well. So it really does have everything you could want, I think, really. And it's, you can see tile floor to ceiling above that section, all in white tiles. Mirror there, extractor fan, smooth ceiling, double glazed window. Okay, so that, I'm trying to give you a good view of it. I'll get some photos as well. Okay. The bathroom. Take you back through here, and I'll take it outside. So this is the new composite back door. Hopefully you can see that. We like that door, we do, right? So back this way, you've got a little flower bed along that edge there, outside tap, security light up there. Then you've got two sheds. So you've got I suppose you call this a workshop, for want of a better description there. So there's the workshop in there. It's got a clear plastic ceiling, so it's a great place actually to hang washing. because it keeps it dry. And then you've got a shed there as well. And then there's a gate here, so you can get side access. If you want to get around the back, you can bring bikes straight back, so you don't have to bring them through at all. Just bring them out the back, and then a bit more storage through there. So that is basically it. There's the outside of the door. I'm not giving you a good view of the door, am I? There's the door. I can't get... There you go. Nice door. And so that's that. That's a nice warm door. There you go. Well, hopefully you like what you see, and if you do and you'd like a viewing, just get in touch. Thank you very much. Bye bye.